This is Motorola Moto G30, and today I'll show all that there is to know about screenshotting on this device. So I will begin by showing you all the available methods you can use to capture a screenshot. So first of them being the digital buttons method. So all that you gotta do is to press the volume down and power buttons simultaneously, and as you can see, the screenshot gets taken. Now you can also go into your smartphone settings app, then enter the system category, continue by opening the gestures, 3-finger screenshot, and switch this method on as well if you want to, of course. And well, this method allows you to capture a screenshot by making the following gesture. So I've already switched it on. Yep, it is active. Now I can take a screenshot by simply holding my 3 fingers at the screen. At any position, just those. As you can see, different angles, the gesture still works. Or it should, at the very least, yep. Now, once you capture a screenshot, as you can see, its miniature appears here, as well as the toolbar it comes with. So this button allows you to edit the screenshot right away. Here you can also create a partial screenshot by simply cropping a regular one, as you can see. Then you also have the share button, so you can share the screenshot right away if you want to. You also will find the Google Lens button here. So you can screenshot something and feed it to Google Lens right away, directly from the from whatever place you are in your phone during the system use. And then you also have this handy delete button that allows you to erase the screenshot if it has been taken by accident. Now, in order to find all the screenshots you have taken, just open whatever gallery app you use. By default, it is going to be Google Photos. Then open Library, or Albums, or Folders. And all the screenshots are getting saved to their separate screenshots folder, so you'll find them there. And from here, you can do all the same actions. You have all the same functions: share, edit, lens, and delete. And well, as far as the screenshotting on this smartphone goes, that will be more or less it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.